is a Seawall inspection conducted on the 2nd of November 2020 in Pompano Beach, looking at the coral rock seawall with an extended cap, a newer cap that was installed on it. There's a 30-foot dock, 4 pilings, 3 dolphin piles, 1 west, 2 east. Pile frame, the upper frame looks pretty new. The seawall itself has been coated of late. It looks to be in good condition. The footer is a good wide footer. It's about 2.5 feet wide. Pilings are encased and seem to be in good condition. It would have been great if they had 3 buys or 4 buys right here. Instead they used 2 buys and 1 lag on the comeback. So that's not great, but it's okay. The depth of the seawall to the dock is about 7 feet. Showing the face of the seawall. And on the way back I'm going to show the lower side of the seawall. We're going east right now. 1 ladder. See the dolphin piles, the one outside dolphin pile, and then the other one that has the black PVC that is higher. The wall shows no healing, no movement, no visible cracks. Looks to be in decent shape. The only thing is the comeback part of the property on the east side is a temporary retaining wall and not a true structural retaining wall, so that should be addressed at a later stage. I'll show it to you now. You can see there's just some concrete blocks that were placed and a piece of stone. The seawall is in good condition for its age. Nothing to report. It is unusual. Now we're going to shoot a video of the lower part of the seawall showing the direction of travel now. It's going to be from east to west. Forgive the windiness, but it's a windy day in South Florida. Footer is about 3 feet high. And footer ends right at the property edge on the west side, and the footer, it looks to be new. It's also in good condition. I'm going to give you a view from the outside. You can see the seawall is stable and is ready to hopefully give another service for another 20-30 years. This inspection was conducted by SeaMeDive in Pompano Beach, Florida.